Okay, I'm going to show you guys today how to solve single logarithmic equations here. So step one is we want to isolate log base b to the a equals x, or log backs, and we're going to do this by doing reverse PLMDAS. And then the goal is to get the log into exponential form. So we're going to rewrite it in b to the x equals a and solve for x. So step one, we need to get it in logbacks form. And if you look in this example here, it is in logbacks form. So we're ready to convert it to exponential. So let's rewrite it in exponential form here. So to do that, our b is 2. The value of x is 5. And then for a, we're going to replace it with the variable x. And now all we have to do is just do 2 to the 5th power. We're going to grab our calculator and go, what is 2 times itself 5 times? And you get 32. And there's our answer. Example 2. Notice example 2 is not in logbacks form, so we need to work at the bottom of PLMDAS here. We're going to start with add and subtract and do opposites until we get it into our logbacks form. So we don't have any add and subtract, so we're going to jump right over to multiply and divide. So if you look right here, we are multiplying 3 times the log, so we're going to do opposites. The opposite of multiplying by 3 is divide by 3. Rewrite what you have left. Negative 9 divided by 3 is negative 3. So now we have this in logbacks form. That's what we want it in. We need to rewrite it in Bexa, or exponential. So this is logbacks. Let's write it in Bexa. So here we go. The value of b is 5. The value of x is negative 3. And then for our a, it's the variable x. Now we're going to do a little calculator work. 5 raised to the negative 3 power is going to give us a decimal of 0.008. You could always convert that to a fraction if you wanted to. And there's your answer. And then our last example here, 3. Remember, the goal is to get log base b to the a equals x by itself. Start at the bottom of PLMDAS and work ourselves up. Start with add and subtract. And so if you look right here, we do have some add and subtract. We're adding 4. Do the opposite. I want to subtract 4. So they have negative 5 log 5x equals 0. So we're done with our add and subtract family. Let's move up to multiply and divide. Do we have any multiply and divide? Yes, we're multiplying by negative 5 right here. Do the opposite of multiplying by negative 5. Let's divide by negative 5. That'll be easy. So we have log base 5 to the x equals 0 divided by negative 5 is 0. We have this in our log backs form. Remember, log backs. We want to write it in exponential in Bexa. So here we go. So we have the value of b is 5. The value of x in this problem is 0. And then we're going to replace the value of a with our variable x. Now, most of you are going to think 5 to the 0 power is 0. But if you actually put that in the calculator, 5 to the 0 power is actually 1. Thanks for watching.